In this video, I'm going to share what I think is the safest investment in the metaverse. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Essen. I'm a researcher based in Germany, and this is the second video on my eToro portfolio series where I pick a stock to invest in. I will share why I'm picking this stock, and in the next video, I will share how this pick performed in the past month. One thing I really need to put an emphasis on is that whenever you decide to invest in a company or a crypto, you should have some conviction behind that investment. I say this because you need that conviction in exactly the market conditions that we are having right now. If you invested in a company just because someone told you that this was a great buy, you would likely sell it at a loss when the market is down. But if you bought the stock after doing your own research, then you know what the value of the stock is for you, and market volatility wouldn't make much effect on your decision. So looking at my pick for the last month, it's down about 15%. If you want to know why I picked PayPal, you can watch this video here. So this month, my pick is Microsoft. You might have already heard about Microsoft's planned $68.7 billion acquisition of gaming company Activision Blizzard. That would not only help Microsoft in video game domination, but also help them take big steps in the metaverse. Video games have already had a huge influence on corporate technology in areas like online collaboration, artificial intelligence, virtual marketplace, among others. In my video on how I am investing in the metaverse, I discussed about Mesh for Teams and how Microsoft is shaping their tools for the metaverse. The acquisition of Activision Blizzard would provide them building blocks for the metaverse. And we all know that gaming will play a key role in the development of the metaverse platforms. In 2020, Microsoft paid $7.5 billion for ZeniMax Media, the parent company of gaming studio Bethesda. And back in 2014, the tech giant paid $2.5 billion for Mojang, the makers of Minecraft. If you're liking this video so far, I would really appreciate if you hit the like button. Microsoft has obviously been a leader in business-to-business technology in general, and also pioneers in virtual reality and augmented reality. And if this deal is done, they will instantly have access to one of the most elaborate and long-running metaverses of all time with World of Warcraft. The metaverse offers an array of digital-first strategies such as remote job interviews in virtual settings, internal training simulations, 3D demos, digital malls and events to promote products and services, all interacting with customers' video game-like avatars. Microsoft already has 140 million monthly users, and they can easily evolve their games into a single platform which would be their version of the metaverse. As the virtual and physical worlds converge, the metaverse is emerging as a first-class platform, Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft, said in April 2021 during a quarterly earnings call. That earnings call came about 3 months before Zuckerberg revealed his plan for Facebook and Metaverse, teasing the company's eventual transformation into Meta in October. At Microsoft's Ignite 2021 conference in November, Nadella compared the promise of Metaverse the way the technology world looked at the internet in the 1990s. It's no longer just playing a game with friends, you can be in the game with them as well. Microsoft does not offer any sort of commercial virtual reality headset that would be needed for such an immersive gaming experience, but with their software expertise and with their huge financials, they can develop their own technology or buy a startup which is working on such technology. And at Microsoft's Build conference in May 2021, Nadella's keynote address delved into what he describes as enterprise metaverse, where companies would use Microsoft's business software products to monitor their supply chains in the metaverse, building a complete digital twin to their real-world infrastructure to better track products from manufacturing stage to delivery. The tech isn't there yet, but if you take almost any game, already it has its own universe. It's in 2D, but for the metaverse, it needs to be in 3D. The question isn't if we can make it 3D, the question is when. With that being said, let's look at my current eToro portfolio performance. As you might know, everything has been in red since December, and my portfolio is also no exception. All of my stocks and cryptos are down substantially. Looking at my portfolio on eToro, almost every crypto and stock is down. Ethereum is having the best profit to loss ratio of 117%, Bitcoin at 22%, IOTA at 79%. The recent purchase of Microsoft is down by 0.66%. My investment in Matic is down about 10%. PayPal has been down about 17.3%. Solana is down about 35%. XLM 56%. The eToro SPAC is down about 24%. Rivian 66%, Cardano about 8%, and Dogecoin is down about 73%. Microsoft isn't the only one working on the metaverse. In this video, I talk about various methods I'm using to invest in the metaverse and how you can too. Bleibt gesund and I'll see you in this video.